What it be, what it do? We are back with Threadbeast, package number 3. We've done both. We've done all 3 styles now. The first one was bright and colorful. Second one was dark and monotone. This one's mix and match. Ignore this freaking beanbag on my forehead right now. But we're gonna open this bad boy up. You're gonna see all the goodies inside. We're gonna rate it. And then I'll decide if I'll keep subscribing to Threadbeast or not. Anyways, I hope you are having a good day. I hope you're enjoying yourself in some way or another. Keep it PG-13, you know what I mean? But let's get into the opening. Alright. Damn, I'm bleeding. Oh well. The box is now open. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, alright. I'm seeing a shirt that says "Grr" on it. Probably Tommy Hilfiger. We like Tommy, even though he was a little racist sometimes, but you know, he's alright now. I hope so. Anyways, we got some underwear. Some crisp underwear. Keep your blank fresh. Ultra soft. Athletic boxer briefs. Cool. Small. We dig it. Alright. Now let's check out the shirt. Was I right? Ooh, I was right. Long sleeve Hilfiger. Materials feeling soft and comfy. I like that. I dig that. I'm gonna probably fall asleep in this. Alright, Tommy Hilfiger. That's dope. What is this? Ooh, we got a Fila shirt. Ooh. Alright, now I don't have anything Fila related, but I'm pretty sure I can make a fit out of this. I have all the colors, yeah. I might just have to get a pair of Fila shoes and spend more money. No, the Fila shirt's dope. The Fila shirt is dope. What is? Oh, we got some blue joggers? Okay. This one's been saucy. Tommy Hilfiger joggers. Ooh, this one's saucy, bro. Oh, hell yeah, this one's saucy. That's tight. I love me my joggers. I love being comfy. And then let's see. Last one is a flannel. A nice little flannel button down. All good. Oh, it's from Diamond too? Our good friends at Diamond. Our good friends. But now this is dope. Can wear this over my champion hoodies and whatnot. Alright. Overall, that's a pretty solid package. I ain't gonna lie to you. So, you know. Now we gotta make some fits. I'm gonna put together some fits and I'll be right back. Because that's annoying me. Alright. So fit number 1. We just go on diamond theme, you know what I'm saying? Diamond flannel. The diamond shirt from the last episode. Some black jeans. Ripped jeans, you know what I'm saying? Some white shoes. I'm rocking the Air Force Ones. Better than even white pair of shoes to work. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, overall, this is comfortable. Nice feeling to it. Pretty good colors, too. So, yeah. I'll give this an 8 out of 10. On to the next fit. Alright, next fit. Just put all the Hilfiger stuff together. So, Hilfiger long sleeve. Nice and comfortable. Good stretch to it. A nice good feel. The Hilfiger joggers. Nice and comfortable. Good feel. Nice shade of blue too. They also got red and white printing on that. So you could wear like a red hoodie with it or a white one or, you know, any colors really, but just mainly red and white. You know, represent America, red, white, and blue, you know what I'm saying? Represent some white shoes too with it. I'm rocking the Crocs this time. with the fur, because you know we bougie over here. But yeah, good fit. This was blue, it would be a better fit. But overall, very comfortable. I may have to start shopping at Tommy Hilfiger now. So, give these items a good... Somebody's looking at me through the window. Give these items a good 8 out of 10. On to the next fit. Final fit, Fila. I don't really have, clothing that'll not cover it up. So, we just got the shirt. We got some Nike sweats. And then we rocking some Champion shoes to go with the color scheme. So yeah, overall though, I mean, if you got Fila clothing, it could be a clean outfit. I don't have Fila clothing. So, the shirt though, comfortable, loose, nice little round neck. You can rock a chain with it, a little necklace or whatever you hoping for. Show off the tats. But yeah, overall, the shirt's not too shabby. I'll give it though, I'll give it like a 7 out of 10 though, just because I don't usually wear Fila. But it is still pretty good, so yeah. But overall, pretty crispy package. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like everything that I see. Everything felt good too, nice fit into it. So I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give that package a 9 out of 10. It would have been a 10 out of 10 if Fila was something else, but it was a mix and match. So now we've done bright colors, we've done dark and monotone colors, and we've done mix and match. The 3 options y'all can do. So hopefully these videos have helped you decide whether you want to start with Threadbeast or continue with Threadbeast, you know what I'm saying? I'm probably just going to continue with it because I've enjoyed it for the most part. And yeah. So thank you for watching. Hope you have a good day, a good night whenever you're watching this. Spoil yourself every now and then. You worked hard in your life. You deserve it. And yeah. Peace out.